Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to remove object from video in CapCut. Removing objects in CapCut is best achieved using the AI remove tool on desktop or mobile, or by using masking to overlay a clean background. So let's use the AI remove method because it's fastest and it's pretty much hands off. So select the clip, swipe left, find AI remove feature. Yeah, here. Press AI remove and select the object, or just highlight the object you want to remove. Okay, so let's say I want to remove my face, so I'm gonna go back and my face. Yeah, pretty much I'm gonna cover the whole thing, right? And press remove at the bottom right. Now all I gotta do is just wait for a few moments. Now the AI is gonna process the removal, and once it's done, you can export the project. Right. The second method is by masking an overlay. Right. You can import your video, then add a copy of the same video as an overlay. Right. So if it's this video, I'm gonna go back and hit overlay next to effect, press or tap add overlay, and add the same video. Okay, and align the overlay precisely with the original. Right, select the overlay. Right, the overlay usually like below the main video, so make sure it's identical in frame and positioning and all that stuff. Swipe left to find mask. Oh, sorry. Hit mask, the last option at the bottom right. And select the circle or rectangle option. Right, let's say rectangle. Right. And then you're going to be able to move the mask over a clean part of the video, a section of background similar to what is behind the object. And of course you can adjust the rectangle, for example. Right? You can choose the position, rotate, right? Size, add length and width, feather if you want to add a feather, round corners, etc. Right? Or just hit reset to do it all over again. Right? And basically that's it. Right? Tips for better results: zoom in on the video to be more precise with your brush or mask. If using masking, add slight feathering to the mask edges to help the overlay blend with the background. And if the object is complex, use the brush to remove it in smaller sections rather than all at once. So consider liking this video, subscribing, it really helps the channel. Until next time, see you.